Students, in this topic we will discuss about different kinds of pronouns. So mainly there are 7 kinds. First is personal pronoun, second is indefinite pronoun, third relative pronouns, fourth intensive pronouns, fifth demonstrative pronouns, sixth interrogative pronouns, seventh reflexive pronoun. Now we will discuss individually. First is personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are used in place of proper nouns. For example, I, me, he, she, it. They are used in place of proper noun. Next, indefinite pronoun. What is indefinite pronoun? Indefinite pronouns we use if you do not want to indicate exact person, place or thing, we can use indefinite pronoun. For example, anybody, anyone, nobody, every, all, some, enough, many, much, etc. In sentence examples, somebody ate my sandwich. Here somebody is indefinite pronoun. You do not know that who ate sandwich, so it is indefinite. Second, everyone says she is beautiful. Here again, everyone is indefinite. Next example, does anyone know what's happening here? Here, anyone is again indefinite. Relative pronouns. These are used for nouns which are mentioned previously. And they also use two sentences. For example, who, whom, which, whomsoever, who. Now, let's say in the sentence. The word who is used for the relative pronoun. The police needed detail that could help to identify the robber. Here the word that is used to join two sentences here. So it is a relative pronoun. Next, this is the place where we meet. Here the word where is relative pronoun and joining two sentences. Next type of pronoun is intensive pronouns. What is intensive pronoun? These pronouns emphasize a noun or pronoun and they provide more importance to a sentence. For example, himself, herself, yourself, themselves, etc. In sentence example, we can see that he himself is responsible for the situation. Here the word himself is intensive pronoun and it is used for the same noun, that is he. Next, Jennifer sewed her dress herself. Here the word herself is intensive pronoun. We built a garden by ourselves. Here the word ourselves is intensive pronoun. Next type of pronoun is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns point something specific within a sentence and they represents a thing near or far in distance or time. Examples: this, that, these, those, such. Now let us see in sentence example. This is a white cow. Here the word this is used to indicate the cow. So it is demonstrative pronoun. These are my books. Here the word these are used to indicate the books or my books. So it is demonstrative pronoun. Such a pen costs 2 rupees. Here the word such is used for a specific pen. So it is a demonstrative pronoun. Next type of pronoun, interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns used to begin a question. It is used to make asking question easy. For example, what, which, who, whom, and whose. Sentence examples of this interrogative pronouns. What do you want for dinner? Here the word what is used to ask question, so it is interrogative pronoun. Which color do you prefer? Here the word which is interrogative pronoun. Who is going to take out the trash? Here the word who is asking question, so it is interrogative pronoun. Next type of pronoun is reflexive pronoun. They are object pronouns that we use when the subject and object are the same noun in the sentence. If the subject and object are the same noun, then we use reflexive pronouns. Examples, and they end in self or selves. For example, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, etc. In sentence example, we can see that I ask to myself to calm down. Here, the word subject in the sentence is same word, that is I. So myself is a pronoun. He baked a cake himself. Here the word himself is reflexive pronoun. You are too young to go out yourself. Here the noun is same you, and yourself is reflexive pronoun. So let us see what we have learned in this video. We have discussed about the different types of pronouns, and in this table some examples are given. Now I am giving you one exercise you have to do in your fair notebook and submit it.